If you have a little friend like this that jumps at the sight of you, you want to keep their eyes nice and clean so they can continue to adore you. Introducing Bausch Lomb Eye Wash solution created by Project Watson to help clean your dog's eyes, to keep them nice and clear, and to clean all the gook and crust that builds up around their eyes so they can see your adoring face. It's a pH balanced solution that doesn't irritate your little one's eyes. Just a few drops would do, and it should be nice and clean. It's a 4-ounce squeeze bottle, so it shall last you for a long time. Just when you put it into your little one's eyes, you want to hold them firmly because it could squirm a little bit. But as you can see, that easy. You put it in and they're good to go. So I hope this review helps.